me alive!
Wait, you go around that way! Hit him up!
Die, you dirty pig! Bang!
Bang!
Shield! Shield!
Bang!
Oh, I've been hit! Oh, the pain! Oh, time to shuffle off this mortal coil. Tell my wife and kids I won't be home for dinner.
Stop it! You're ruining the game!
I don't want to play cops and robbers anymore. You guys always get to be the bad guy.
But we need you for the interrogation scene.
I'll play. I once dreamt I met the Queen. The Queen! Oh, nobody wants to play with old Jim. Mickey, Bellario, I found them! Jeez, kids, it's good to see that you're getting into the spirit of the family business, but you can't be running away like that!
Maria says running away is the best form of exercise.
Well, Maria says a lot of things. Most of them's about killing. Look, Don Trapelli's run off his feet worrying about police infiltrating the family. Stranger danger, kids. You never know when one of them's waiting to pull you into one of their big white vans.
How can I ride the pony?
No, this isn't a pony, Focaccia. It's your dad's latest purchase, the Trapelli drug mule. Stand over there, mule. Yeah. So it needs a bit of work. It fell off the back of a truck. We think. Okay, it was just lying in the middle of the road when we found it. Don't tell your father.
I used to have dignity. Now all I have is other people's packages.
Hey, at least you don't have to spit them out after they've been swallowed.
No, Joyce. Hey, Neil, can you give this package to my friend for me? Neil, can you take this boogie board to Bali for me? Neil, I got you a great job with a Colombian chick.
Deep breaths, my friend. In through the mouth and out through the nostrils. Or is it the other way around?
Those kids are just too fast. I don't think they even knew I was playing.
Okay, I want to play Operation. No, we need at least 5 people to play Operation. Right, Mickey, get my saw. You and Fellatio can be my patients.
Great! I've got this awesome rash that'll really help me get into character.
You have undermined me and Don Ugly for the last time.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Me too, sure.
Scalpel, man.
Thank you, Dr. Pimpleface.
Now you tell us the information we need to know, or take it to your grave!
I'd rather die than tell you!
So be it. Ha 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 ha.
You homeless man! Take him away! He needs help!
Alright, I guess I'm done here.
Wait, no! I'm bleeding. Oh, the agony. Get me out of this hideous dungeon and take me to a hospital. I'm hallucinating. Mother, don't accept me. I'm coming, Mother.
Fine. Charlie, we'll be back in a few minutes.
Alright.
Come on your feet, you lazy son of a... Let's go. Wait a minute. Are you actually bleeding?
Excuse me, Charlie. May I please ask you a question?
Yes, Focaccia?
What does masturbation mean?
Oh, well, you see, it's kind of... guys, help me out here. How can I explain this to a 5-year-old?
Demonstrate.
5-year-old.
You don't have to answer questions from Don Ugly.
Use the donkey!
Sorry, Focaccia. Jim, watch the kids. Get back here, mule. The boss is gonna have my balls in a pepper grinder. What'd he say? Ditch the kids. Okay.
Oh, right. The Pelly kids score 4 out of 4. Not bad.
I'm glad we got rid of that fat one because I don't like his face. I've been wanting to do this all day, but you know how Dad feels about Monopoly.
Only if I can be the hat and the corrupt banker.
You're always the hat.
Yes.
Fine, okay. Which one do you want to be? I want to be a castle. We don't have a castle. We have a
They're behind you. Guys, what's wrong?
Quickly, take them all.
Watch out for the stairs.
What? Where?
Behind you.
Behind you!
Nice hat.
Excuse me.
The Monopoly piece. It's my favorite.
Dad says not meant to talk to you.
What else does your dad say? Does he talk about the family business? Does he ever use words like confidential and business and dealings?
You have the right to an attorney.
Sometimes. He also spends a lot of time complaining about the neighbor's cat.
Look, Pizza, they just said we're not allowed to talk to them without a turn.
What's attorney?
You kids need to start thinking about your futures.
Working as an inside man isn't so bad. It's outdoorsy, exciting, and you get to meet a lot of great people who will never know your true motivations.
Hey, what are you doing? Get away from me! Now, how dare you?
I'm going to count to 5 before I start shooting, at which point you will both die. 1.
5. Where's the exit to this place?
Don't you dare tell me.
You're going to have to speak louder. We're running out of time.
Hey! Behind us! Charlie! Hey!
4. Diagonal. 5.
Maria shot a policeman.
Well, it was supposed to be a warning shot, but unfortunately, I never miss.
Where's Charlie? Where's Mickey? Where's Falaccio?
They went to the attorney.
Are you telling lies, Gelato? We do not tell lies to our father. We only tell lies to our therapists and...
Health insurance.
Your father will be dealing with this very seriously.
Yes? Oh, yes, I will. Go inside and wait in my study. Come on, move it, take that damn Monopoly with you. Hey, it's the police pumping my children for information. I knew this day would come, but I didn't think it would be so soon.
They grow up so fast.
What's that?